What's up, T Tribe? It's TT coming at y'all again with another video. You know, it's a lot of stuff that I say I'm not gonna do when I make a video, and then I end up doing it. That shit is so annoying. It's so annoying. But today's video is gonna be something short and sweet. I just wanna try these new McDonald's chicken tenders that everybody's been talking about. I know I'm probably late. What? I'm here. Before we get into this video, go on and hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget, sharing is caring. Share your girl channel. And don't forget also that the 800 subscriber giveaway is right around the corner. Okay, your girl is running up on 768 or something like that. Your girl is running up on it quick. So if you want to be a part of this giveaway, you have to drop some love on this video and all the other videos, social media. Basically, just show me your word. Tell me that you just love being in the T Tribe, okay? Because who don't love it, okay? Without further ado, let's get into this video. So I'm in the car. I know it's like, I just bought this car, so whatever. Bae is doing something, so I'm actually waiting on her to come back out. But I was like, this is the perfect time to do a video. Okay, they burnt my freaking fries. They burnt my fries, y'all. This video ain't about fries, so it don't really matter. I have to tell y'all, because today is Tuesday. Today is Tuesday, and I was thinking about making a new segment called Tea Tuesdays, where on Tuesdays I'm going to be eating, and we're going to be just talking about any and everything. It doesn't matter. Whatever. I'm going to have my teacup that I got from the Sham Fam giveaway. It's just a new segment that I wanted to kind of bring to y'all. And y'all can tell me, you know, if it's a good idea. Would you like it? What are some topics that y'all would like? Ooh, matter of fact, drop topics on this video. Thought it was bae. Drop topics on this video on what you think I should talk about for the first Tea Tuesday. So drop a comment under this video on what are some things that you guys want to hear about, like the new movies that came out, some famous people that's overrated, some gossip that just happened, or it doesn't matter. Just drop something and just, we're gonna get it together. All right, here we go. Oh, you can barely see it. I know I'm probably late as fuck. I'm probably like the only one in the United States that haven't tried these, but it's okay. Today is the day. Let's do this shit. I heard that they was really, really good. Like, everything that I've been hearing about these has been all good reviews. So, hopefully it's good to me. I love me some chicken and I love me some barbecue. Here we go. I don't know, they good. Like they edible, but I think I had better. I mean, it's McDonald's. Like, how good could chicken nuggets be? But they're pretty good. I know barbecue got some, I said barbecue. I mean, Burger King got some chicken. What is my problem? Maybe because I'm about to be on my way to school and I'm really not feeling it. Now I'm getting all tongue-tied up. But I meant to say, Burger King got chicken strips too. I haven't tried this, so I was like, let me try McDonald's first. Oh, they got glazed. I think Burger King just got the regular chicken strips. I mean, they are juicy. I could say that they are juicy. And they definitely put enough sauce on here too. That's good. You know, places be stingy as hell with sauces. It's pretty good. I forgot I got fries. Okay. Okay. 1 out of 10. Y'all about to see me diving. Y'all was about to see me dive in. I was gonna get that chicken strip, girl. Period. 1 out of 10. I would give it a... I get 8. A 9. I give it a 9. Only because I've had better. I know it wasn't going to be like, you know, baddest chicken strips in the world. For McDonald's, 8 is pretty good. They're pretty good. McDonald's and Burger King. Babe went to Burger King, that's why. But that pretty much wraps it up for this video. Comment underneath and tell me if you liked these chicken strips. Hi, babe. If you liked these chicken strips from McDonald's, and comment a topic that you guys would like to talk about for Tea Tuesdays. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Dang, I think you wanna try it?
Is it good?
Yeah. 1 out of 10, I give it an 8.
I'm gonna say they chicken strips and taste it. Oh no.
You haven't even really tried it, babe. It's nice and juicy.
Oh yeah, okay.
You don't like it? 1 out of 10.
6.
6?
I could cook this some more.
What's wrong with it?
And done.
It is done, babe. It's clearly done, y'all. You can barely see it. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Drop a topic under this video for the Tea Tuesdays. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. Bye.
Hey, baby, I could take you in, all your friends to go shopping, baby. Rolling up a wood, smoke so good, got you.